Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a virtual network in Windows Azure. So I'm going to create a virtual network so I could put a bunch of VMs in there with a set of IP ranges. So I am logged into the management console or the portal in Microsoft Azure, and you'll see on this side there's a bunch of things. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select networks. So there's networks here. I've selected networks, and you see I already have another virtual network. Now, if I click here, new, I'm going to create two new virtual networks. I'm going to create one called VNet Staging for my staging networks, and I could put it in N region 1. I'm just going to put this in Europe. And I can have a range of IPs. I don't have a DNS server here, so I could just skip that. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to put certain VMs in certain networks, and that's what I'm going to lead up to in my other videos. You could set your subnets. Now I have the staging created, and I'm going to create another one now. And I'm going to create this one, VNet Prod. And I'm going to create this one in North Europe also. And I'm going to show you how to put a VM within the network. And I'm going to do the same thing here. Now when I go create a VM, what you'll see here is I'm going to do gallery. I'm going to select Visual Studio, and any one of these will do. And you'll notice if I name my server here, in the next screen you'll see I have a choice to select a network, and you'll notice here is where I select the network. Now if you'll see that the last network that I created hasn't shown up yet, but I could select my network here that I want to put in there and what subnet I want it in. So this is where you choose where to create the or where to put the where the VM goes within your virtual networks. So I've chosen that, and I'm just going to change this to 443 because that's the port I can actually access it. My firewall actually blocks other ports, and I want to keep it that way. So I'm actually creating a VM here, and that's fine. I'm all set, and it's going to create the VM now. But that's it. That's how you do it. And in my other videos, I'm going to show how to lead up to putting a VM in there, is what I showed before. But also configuring a static IP on a machine and actually moving an existing VM into a virtual network if you already created it, and you know, how do you actually move it into a network if it wasn't a part of the network to begin with when you created it. So that's what I'm going to show you in other videos. Alright, thank you for watching.